Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a stunning Paralegal Layout Pack, and this Layout Pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Okay, so let's take a look at the Paralegal Layout Pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It looks really clean. It has a very nice color palette to it. And you can basically use this layout pack for any kind of professional website you want to set up. And you can feature all of your services in the services page just the way you want to. And it just looks really good and really clean, which I definitely like. So if you want to lay your hands on it, you can simply go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs. So you can scroll down until you come across the Paralegal Layout Pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the layouts that are available. So you can join to download or click on the blue button which says View Live Demo. And this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover all of the layouts for yourself and then decide whether or not you want to use them before actually installing them on your WordPress website. And say, for instance, you want to use the landing page, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. So then you have three options, so you can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page, and we're going to pick one of the Paralegal Layout Packs layouts by clicking on the purple button. And over here we have all of the layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the Paralegal Layout Pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the layouts again, and then you can select your layout of choice and click on the green button which says Use this layout. So once you've uploaded the layout to your page, you can go ahead and play around with all of the settings and all of the content as well. Of course, you can change everything to make it match with your own website, but you can also change the appearance of the layout using Divi's built-in options or the efficiency features to make a lot of changes throughout the entire layout pack in just a few clicks. So say, for instance, you want to change this color that's being used within the layout pack in general, you can do that really quick by opening this module, going to the background settings, and over here you have this color, so without changing it, right click and click on Find and Replace. And over here you have the color that's being used, and you can replace that within the entire page with another color of your choice. And then also tick off the box which says Replace all found values within every option type, not limited to background color. And this will make sure that all the modules and all the different design elements are being covered. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to change throughout the entire layout pack, and you can basically do that for any design option that you have within the visual builder. So go ahead and play around with these layout packs and Divi's built-in options and create stunning web design using Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.